Hey, do you like the tractor?
Sounds like a tractor.
What's up, guys? We are driving about the world's worst Mark IV today. I mean, just look at this thing.
Look at this.
It has, look at these colors. It has seen better days. Rust there. I don't know what Weesey did to the headlights. That's whose car it is. Euro plates, real janky. Oops.
I kind of run a shop and I had to push a cart into the shop, so.
Exactly. No, we just need some new fenders on it.
Oh, and don't forget about that LED bar hidden back there.
Where? Where do you have an LED bar? Oh, I see it. There, you guys can see that. Missing that.
Yeah, I have it in the car.
Well, you just get better airflow to the intercooler now. That's it. There's no headliner. It's filthy because he never washes it. Like, look at this. That's just diesel life. Leave him a smiley face. Well, this drive is going to be real interesting. Super low. Frame needs notched, so the axles are just smacking off of it. It's a great sound. But you guys will see in the video. Alright, so today, here we are in Luis's TDI. It's a tractor, don't let him fool you. And what's done to it?
Well, it's a 2003 Volkswagen TDI ALH. Has the 11mm pump, VNT 1722 turbo, Kerma TDI piping with the Forge Motorsports intercooler, P520 injectors, and a stage 4 tune from Rocket Chip Tuning.
So how much power is it putting down? That's what I want to know. I totally just burped. That was disgusting.
Honestly, I don't know. It should be north of 300 foot-pounds and north of 200 horsepower. An exact number, I don't know.
I'm going to tell you what the butt dyno feels like.
It'll put you in your seat.
Here in a minute.
Still averages anywhere between 34 to 42 miles to the gallon.
That's pretty good.
It all depends my driving style too. And
His driving style is
what kills
flooring it the whole time.
It's what kills the TDI's miles to the gallon.
Still gets better mileage than the majority of cars.
Yeah.
Gasoline engines. I mean, this is a diesel, so.
I don't drive it much under 50 miles an hour like they say you should to increase your miles to the gallon, because
I drive it under 50.
who wants to go 50 miles an hour?
Me. Save your license, dude. Just kidding. So, okay, so those were the pros of the car. Now let's talk about the cons, because
It's Volkswagen.
it's a Volkswagen. It's a Mark IV. That's all you need to know. As soon as you hear Mark IV, you should
just the smell of crayons.
just run the other way. That too. But the transmission is really awesome. You have 1, 2, and 5.
You have 3 and 4 whenever it feels like it. I
Yeah.
have another transmission for it. I just haven't got around to putting it in.
Maybe we should do that. Where's 4th? Nope, we're gonna go to 3rd.
And it's 3rd, and it grinded in place. Oh, and the car's also straight pipe.
It's not very loud though.
It's not.
exhaust temp.
Yeah,
How many pounds we making?
not enough.
Not enough. Look how bad this transmission is. Like, what is this? Won't even double clutch. Let's go to third. There's fourth. We switched seats. He doesn't want me to brake it if I launch it because I'm good at braking stuff. And
Not only you, but this thing's just good at braking.
it's great. Ooh, yeah, you need to
just
put that
spun
new
it.
trans in.
Yeah, it just spun in first.
Yeah, third was rough. This dude's driving like super slow. What's he doing? Oh, he's letting us go by. Cool. Thanks, guy. Well, that was weak.
We can do another one. Let's find another road.
Launch number 2. It bogged out.
He actually grabbed second there. And third.
Well, there you have it, folks. No matter how much money you put into a TDI, it's still going to be slow.